So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you run LLMs locally on your computer. So firstly, we will be needing some things. We will go in our browser and search for Ollama. Just type Ollama, click on the first link and then click on download button. Go with the downloader for Windows. Just click on this. Just hit enter. You can see that it is of 1.1 GB. So till then it gets downloaded, we can do one thing. We will just open a new tab here. And here we will go in the official repository of Ollama. Just type GitHub Ollama. Click on the first one. You can see that this is the official repository for Ollama. We can just scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the different download links for yeah different download links for Mac OS as well as Windows. This one was for Mac OS. This one was for Windows and a Linux command also. Now here you will see a model library. Here this has all the models that Ollama contains. So here there is a note. You should have at least 8 GB of RAM to run 7B models and 16 GB for 13B, 32 GB for 33B models. So you can see that our setup is almost also downloaded. Setup file. We will go with the minimum, that is the lowest one of 1 billion parameters. Just copy this and now open your setup file. Let's minimize the browser till it gets loaded. So yeah, you can see that install button. Just click on it. This will start installing your Ollama. I'll pause the video till it gets completely installed. So yeah, you can see that this has completely installed. But for now, we will close this and we will move in our command prompt because we need to install the model firstly. So you have to just type Ollama and then hyphen hyphen version. Also, you can just go like this. Just type Ollama. With Ollama list, you can get the list of models that you have installed. Now, we have to paste that command which we have copied earlier. This will start installing your this model, that is gamma 3 colon 1b, that is 1 billion parameters. The download has started, you can see. So it is almost downloaded. Now we will run a sample for this also. You can see that the model is successfully imported. Now we can see a dialog box with send a message. We will just send hi. You can see that this is the response from model. Hi there. Uh, how's your day going so far? Okay, now the model has asked one thing also, that is what can I do for you today? So we will just ask it to do a it to write a Python code for printing hello world. Python code for hello world. Now this will start responding. Yeah, you can see that this has given the print command, which is so basic. So you can see that the model is correct, correctly running. You can be more specific depending upon your task. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. Now let's see you next time.